Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you, if you are in your 20s and 30s, how to start facial exercises, because I have shared with you many, but a lot of people get confused like what should we do and what would be the best exercises to start. So that's what this video is all about. And in the second part I'm also going to share with you the facial exercises for the ones who are in their 30s and 40s. So it is going to be a two-part video. For that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you always get notified, and do like the video because that makes a lot of difference. So do hit that like button, it's free, and let's start. Alright, so the first thing first, I always start on my channel is that you start your exercises by tapping your face like this, because you want to warm up your face, you want to improve the blood circulation. Number two is this very simple easy one. So what you do is you take your ring finger and start and say hello to this new friend here, you start from your chin area like that, and you start circulating this acupressure point here, which will help in increasing the blood circulation. Very good. This though you can do every day also. So do circulate like this one 10 times, then you take it around your mouth area, you do here also 10 times, then you go up around your nose area. This will help in combating the smile lines or laugh lines. After that, you go to the middle of the cheek here, cheekbone, and you will find a depression here. This is the place where you need to massage. Feels so relaxing. And with that you also do deep breathing. After that, you move on your fingers and you take here, and do use the ring finger, that will be putting the least pressure. So do this one, like this, and you can see my eyes are tired today also. I used a lot of laptop for editing and everything, but this will help me relax. Can you in fact do it here also? I love doing it. This point you will find it at the center of your where the depression is. This one, circulating again 10 times. It will also help in improving the blood circulation. Then after that, you could be doing here. This will keep your forehead lines at bay, your 11s at bay. Then at the center like this. This is so good. It helps in relaxing and calming your mind. Point that I love doing is here, just beneath this earlobe here. If you press here, it will pain. If you haven't massaged this point, or if it has any blockages, you can feel a little bit of pain here. Alright, so the third one is super easy again, but it is very effective. So you have to fill your mouth with air, and you have to do, and with that you have to also bring in the air here and here. So how do you do that? You have to so basically one time you will be doing 6 times, like 3 times each, swishing around, and in the initial time you do it once, then you can increase it to doing 3 times. Then after that, you have to take care of your neck and your this double chin area. So what you do is just bring in a little bit of like this. You do pull in the muscle like that, and then you lift up and bring your lower lip above the upper lip and look up. And hold like that for 15 seconds. You can do it 3 times. Then after that, very important exercise that is for your eyes, and I wish when I was in my 20s or 30s and I did it. So the very basic one, the V one, it's very good for your eye area. So you just keep your fingers like that, and then always try to lift up this muscle and don't move anything else. So keep your fingers like this, look straight, and just lift this area like this. Do it for 10 times. hold for 5 seconds, and then you leave. And repeat this one for sure 3 times. Very, very important. So next exercise is going to be for your forehead. So you keep your hand like this on the forehead, okay? Place it firmly, and then you lift your brows, not brows but your eyes. You're going to open up them wide like this, then squint, relax. Open your eyes, squint, relax. This is like one of the best exercises to actually lift up your eye area and your forehead wrinkles. Works like magic. So these are the super easy, simple exercises to be done in your 20s and 30s. You really don't need to do a lot. And for the 30s and 40s, the next video is going to come on Saturday. So do subscribe and please do like the video, it matters. And do comment below if you have any other question, anything you want me to make a video on. I would be more than happy. Take care. Bye.